Hello, welcome to Canadian Law Tutor. I'm Gul Virk, lawyer from Ontario and your tutor in this Canadian legal journey. Are you writing your Ontario bar exam? Or you have just started preparing for Ontario bar exams? Our today's topic is Ontario bar exam and self-study. Many international students choose Ontario as their province of destination. They write Ontario bar exams. Ontario bar exam consists of barrister and solicitor. These are two components. So you're writing two different exams on different dates, barrister and solicitor. So what is the difference? What do you need to prepare and how do you prepare for this exam? In this short video, I would try to provide you information as well as resources to prepare for your Ontario bar exam. I have been teaching Ontario bar exams since June 2012. I understand the challenges faced by the international law graduates in Ontario bar exam process. As an internationally trained lawyers, we face some challenges in this exam process. We are required to bridge the gap between our international legal training coming from civil law, common law jurisdiction. We learn a lot in the NCA process, but there is still some gaps which need to be filled. Ontario bar exam process has a lot of information provided by Law Society of Ontario on their website called lso.ca. If you go to that website, I'm going to provide the link of that website in this video. When you visit that website, you will find information about how to become a lawyer. Becoming lawyer is a component, and the component we need to check for our exam preparation is called barrister competencies and solicitor competencies. You will find all the detailed breakdown of the syllabus right there for your exam process. So when you sign up for your Ontario bar exam process, you need to purchase your Law Society material provided by the Law Society of Ontario, part of your examination preparation process. When you receive this material and you start your studying, the first thing you need to ask yourself is how I'm going to prepare, how I'm going to read this material. So I have been receiving many messages from the students. They are asking how many pages are good enough for this reading. So how many pages do I require to read in one day? So there are some very good days in our preparation. The first and the foremost thing I highly recommend is buying 5 different color highlighters to start your study. So you need to understand your role in the different deal. If you're reading the real estate, you have to understand who you are in the process. Are you a buyer's lawyer or seller's lawyer? In a business deal, are you working for a corporation or an individual shareholder? In a family law situation, are you a common law partner's lawyer or you are handling a divorce case? You need to understand and relate to your role as a lawyer while reading the material. So the first step I have for your preparation is buy 5 color highlighters and divide it. Are you doing one color for the test, one color for your role, one for your professional responsibility, one for the rules, and one usual favorite thing for our law student is for anything we find important. So we need to break down the material into 5 things. So your highlighting should start from your day 1 of studies. This is my tip number 1 for studying the bar exam. Number 2, after reading 1 or 2 pages, ask yourself what I am going to do with this information. So we need to ask yourselves this particular question at every 4 or 5 pages while studying. That's how we kind of reconnect to the information. The reading of the material can be monotonous at times. You feel bored, you keep reading and don't understand the thing. That's a very, very normal thing preparing for the bar. How do we break that monotony? We break that monotony by asking ourselves what I am going to do with this information. So keep asking this question again and again in the preparation so that you stay connected to the content. The second biggest step for this preparation is staying connected to the content provided for you as a lawyer to use in this process. Number 3, there are always good days and bad days in a reading. There would be wonderful days when you will be reading 20 to 30 pages. I've seen students absorbing 50 pages in one day, but there are some times when you cannot even finish 10 pages in a day. Pat yourself in the back. Tell yourself it's okay. I'm studying for bar. It's a barrister and solicitor competency exam. I am going to pass this bar exam by raising my own bar. So there is no strict formula to do certain pages for doing the exam preparation. Your reading should be focused, your reading should be fruitful, your reading should be connected, and you should try to be kind to yourself in the process. If you're reading 10 pages, it's okay. There are days when you can not move more than 5 to 10 pages in a day. And trust me, there would be a time when you can read a lot. So end of the day, we need to stay focused on how much we are absorbing. What is my takeaway from the lesson? Whatever is my takeaway by reading this information. So I am providing you 3 main tips. Buy your highlighters, start highlighting. Number 2, ask yourself again and again in the preparation what I am going to use this information for. Number 3, pat your back. Pat your back. Yes, you got it right. Pat your back a lot. Be kind to yourself when you are feeling overwhelmed. Be kind to yourself when you are feeling it's not enough. Be kind to yourself when you feel it's too much. It's a process which we all going to sail through. I provide coaching one-on-one basis and group settings for both bar exams, barrister and solicitor. If you need my help, reach out to me on CanadianLawTutor.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep motivating me by asking questions about Canadian legal journey, my journey and your journey. If you have any question regarding preparing for Ontario bar exam, you're looking for charts, you're looking for any such help, write to me on CanadianLawTutor.com and let me help you in your next bar exams. I wish you good luck. Thank you very much for joining me in this video.